Welcome back to our series of videos taking a look at the character section in Plottr. And in this video, we're going to look at filtering your characters. So filtering is a way for you to only see characters that fit certain criteria. So if we jump up to the filter button in the characters toolbar, you'll see we have a number of options by which we can filter: books, categories, tags, and any of our custom attributes that we've created. So for example, if we'd only like to see main characters, we can simply click on main, and now as you can see, only the main characters are displayed. You'll also see this message that the character list is filtered. It's just a reminder that your other characters haven't gone anywhere, you're just viewing a filtered list. And you can click on the X to remove the filter, and now all the other characters have returned. So you can filter by any of these. So if we only want to see characters associated with the brick house, we can see that's pig number 3. We can also filter by multiple criteria. So if we want to see characters associated with the brick house or have a role as a supporting character, you can now see a list of characters that fit either criteria. And you can change any of these elements individually. So if we click back in here, we can remove just supporting characters. So we're only filtering for the brick house again, or we can remove the brick house to only view supporting characters. And you can also unfilter simply by unclicking all of the options. So filtering is a great way to only bring up a list of characters that fit a certain criteria in your story. And that covers filtering in the characters section. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for all our latest updates, and give the video a thumbs up if you found the information useful. And I'll see you in the next video.